Hello everyone, I am Aarush Dixit and I am 12 years 5 months old and I am in class 8th and today I am going to demonstrate my project Zest. So Zest is a project created to combine the speed of terminal with AI for easy use. So let's start it by launching our project. So here we have launched our project and there are three ways to interact it, and we are going to start with CLI, and Telegram and WhatsApp would be built soon. So let's start with CLI. And there are three modes: agentic mode, plan mode and ask mode. So firstly we are going to start with agentic mode. So agentic mode is a mode that can combine the power of your computer with terminal, and it can execute commands, read file, write files and edit and search them. So let's start with it. So here I have asked it to, so let me show you something, and there is a command menu here. So you can type a message or chat with AI, and this is for command selector, and here you can execute your shell command directly, and to save the conversation in your disk you can use save command, and slash load to load your previous session, and sessions to see all the session, and mode to change the mode, and clear to reset conversation context. Memory will show you all the facts stored in memory, and status, it will show you your mode, turn and history status. And here you have help, this will show this message, and exit to end this session. So let's start with type a message. So I will type here to list all the files in this folders. So let's start, and here you can see it is using the AI model, and now in some time it will show you the result. And here you can see it has quickly created a response for you. Here are files and folders in current directory, and these are them. So let me show you analyze the src folders, and now it will use the AI model to analyze, and so you can see it is executing commands, and it has again done this. So it is asking that you can only use the content in the same directory. So let's restart with this. Create a file named test.txt with content I am working. So let's just enter and see what will happen. So you can see it is using again the AI model and create the file. So you can see the file is created. So let me go here, and here you have test.txt, and if we see what is inside it, then here we go, we have I am working, and you can use it to write code, read code and analyze your code. So this would be an easy tool for that. And let's just quit this and move on to next part, which is command selector, and this is you have seen this, and let me just show you commands. So moving to third, you have execute a shell command. So let's go and type ls. And why we need to use this instead of going there? Because it would be stored in the context of AI. So if any error came, then you can use this command to show AI without copying and pasting that. So after that, we have slash save. This will save your session. So let's just save it, and it is saved. And after that, we have load to preload a previous session, and then sessions. So if I show you the sessions, here are two sessions. So let me just quit it and launch it again. Here we can go to CLI, agentic mode, and go to slash session. Here you can see it is listed here, and after that we can load it. So let me just go to help, and we can load. So it is asking to session ID, so we can give it 1 and enter. Our session is loaded in the command context because it is saved as an MD file, so it would not be seen here. So after that, we have sessions, and I have showed you what it is. Then mode. This can change the mode, and clear to clear the conversation history and command context. So you have memory, so let me show you it. It can generate an overview what you have done, and facts and decisions it has made, and you can see all the memory. So it has just started, so there is no memory, and but it would create as you will go and create something. And let's just go to status to see what is the status. So it is saying turn 1 because it is the first prompt after the loading. And memories, it has 1 memory, just like this here. Session is started in agentic mode, and after that you have help to show this matters, and slash exit to exit it. So here let's just go to CLI and plan. So in plan mode, you have to research things. So it can use web search, read your files, and can use grep tool. So this is created because you have to firstly plan what you have to build before building it, and it would be a very good approach for coding and other tasks. So let's just go and plan something. So let's say I am building a project. This project will be able to code in CLI. It will have Vim-like bindings. Plan me a feature list. And now when you will press enter, it would use your AI model, and now it would start thinking on it. So let's just wait and see. And here you can see it has created a huge list. So you can see you don't have to plan every binding and modes. It has created everything for you. So you can read it if you want. So it can also be saved in memory and have same features as agentic mode. But it can plan things. And after that, we have a last mode, ask mode. So let us go to ask mode. And now ask mode is just for like chat gpt. You can give questions and it would answer for you. So let's just see by asking who is Abraham Lincoln. And now it would use your AI model to ask the question to AI, and now it would also use this. So it has used the web search tool, and now you can see it has created the detail for you. Now you can just exit it. And that was the demo of my project Zest. If you like it, then please share it. Thank you.